My name is Shirin Alipana, and it's so hard to pick just one thing out of this 8-week course and kind of summarize and say this was the biggest takeaway, because I learned so much during this course, all the way from memorization techniques, all the leadership skills, and everything else that is a common sense, but we sometimes forget how to apply it in real life. So the biggest thing that I can talk about right now is basically, in reality, in work, how do you really appreciate somebody for the great work that they have done? Do you walk over and just say thank you? But how do you actually make the person feel important and really appreciate it and see it from their point of view? And I learned how to do that in a bigger groups, in a bigger settings, where somebody feels really appreciated and it gets motivated and goes extra mile next day. Everything, as I mentioned, it's a common sense, but most of the times we get so busy with life and work with everything, and we forget to do all of that. We forget to smile every morning. We forget to say thank you every morning. But this 8-week course, it was designed specifically to teach us those habits and change those habits for us, where we walk in the morning and say hello to everybody and big smile, and that just sets the tone for the day. And all the other things about stress management, yes, we all know that we should not stress, but how do you do that? This is where you learn. This is where you learn how to leave the past in the past and make your future better, how to cope with all the changes, how to compartmentalize your activities so you have lower stress level and you can be more productive. That's how you apply it on a daily basis. Absolutely. This was a transformational program for me personally. I learned so much in this program, especially if you take it with a group of people that you know. That's the best way to do it. And I see myself applying this every day at my work.